I was sitting in the canteen with my friend and we were eating and having a deep conversation about something. And my other friend came, he sat right in front of us, so these both were sitting in right in front of me. And he started talking like brain rot shit, like weird shit, like skibidi and stupid jokes. Then, as we started talking and started having conversations, this guy, the guy that came later, started to zone out. And my other friend told, like, he made a joke, like, bro, you are kind of autistic. Like, bro is autistic. And he told us that he scrolled Instagram for like 10 hours every day. And he was pursuing a professional course. And to pursue a professional course, you have to focus. Any successful person has said only one thing. There's a research done by Tim Ferriss or someone that every millionaire or billionaire has one thing in common, that is focus. High levels of focus on a particular task or goal. But society, not even society, these social media motherfuckers have just made it so much addictive that you can't even focus for a split second. Our attention spans are lesser than a goldfish, and that study was like 5 years ago. So today it was before Instagram reels and before TikTok. So today it might be a millisecond. How important is your attention span really? It is worth millions. It is worth millions, and you are here scrolling on Instagram. Just try to remember a reel that you watched 10 seconds ago. I bet you won't remember it. It doesn't work. So here's exactly how you cure your brain rot, and did it myself too. Step 1: delete social media. Nobody cares about you there, nobody gives a fuck. Delete social media. This will drastically improve your attention spans and brain rot. The next thing is meditation. Meditate for meditate every single day, not for a particular time. Meditate every single day, and it will just increase your attention span like this, and it will increase your awareness. And now you might think, oh, but I've tried meditation for one day and it didn't work for me. Motherfucker, you don't know how to meditate.